Hello and welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to replace any background using Canva's green screen tool. First, open the Canva project you created. Next, navigate to the video section, and then select the landscape option for your design. Next, go to the Elements tab. In the search bar, type Video with Green Screen. This will help you find green screen video assets. Browse the results and select a video that fits your project. Drag and drop the chosen green screen video onto your timeline to add it to your design. Import your video clip with a green screen background by dragging it onto the timeline. Select the clip, then go to the Effects panel and search for the chroma key or green screen effect. Apply the effect to your clip. Adjust tolerance settings to remove the green background cleanly. Tap the screen to remove the background. Next, select the chroma key tool and adjust the settings to eliminate the green screen. Now, place the chair image over your video. You'll see that the green screen is gone, leaving only the subject visible in the final result. Click the background button to add a new background to your project. Select the green color from the palette and apply it. Your project now has a green background, making it easy to use with other effects. We previously added a background color, but the original image is no longer available. Let's find another picture to work with. Browse your files and select a new image track. Let's use this one as an example. Click on the image to highlight it. Next, go to the editing toolbar and select the option to replace or edit the background. Choose the green color from the palette to update the background. Click Apply to save your changes. Now, your selected image has a new green background applied successfully. To test this function, use the sharing option. Click the Share button, select the appropriate link, and verify that sharing is enabled. This ensures the feature works in the intended background. Select the video in your timeline and notice the green background highlights the current duration. To align your video with this background, drag and position it so both start and end together. Next, move the video clip to the center of the frame. This allows your content to match the background layout precisely and look visually balanced. To trim your video, select the clip on your timeline, then click the Trim tool. Drag the clip's edges to adjust the start and end points. You can now play the video to see the background has been successfully added. Click the play button to preview your video with the background applied. Click the share button, then select download. Before downloading your file, make sure to adjust the quality settings to your preference, and then click download to save. Now you know how to create awesome green screen videos using Canva. If this helped, hit like and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.